people you say that I don't know is we're anything more than animals who are the evolution I thought, the evolutionary track I thought we were on. It seems like we're not on anymore. What's up with that? So there is an inconsistency here.
Yeah, it's a new thing where, I mean, you get a kind of, you've heard the expression compassion fatigue. Well, I'm kind of getting a fatigue for the stupidity with which people live their lives. The stupidity, where they're just not using good thinking. And the same terrible stuff has to happen again and again and again. And it's made me think that maybe from an evolutionary standpoint, we aren't going to get much higher than what we are now, and we will be repeating the same stupid things.
100 years from now, 500 years from now, 1,000 years. And are you okay with that?